Good day everyone. Welcome to our channel. This is my first video. I am expecting you to support me with this video, and this video will discuss about the difference between the relations and functions. So in this discussion, we will clearly differentiate the two, and also we will give examples of each. But before we go on to our main discussion, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channels for more updates of our lessons and for you to be rich in learning in mathematics. We will show you that math is not the difficult subject you will handle, that math is the exciting subject that you will encounter. So thank you! So, let us start with relations and functions. Once we say relations and functions, they are very closely related from each other. Kasi si functions, nagmula kay relations. Kumbaga parang nanay or parent ni function si relations. So, once we say relation, it is a collection of ordered pairs from each set. Wherein, makikita mo yung pagsulat niya as XY. May relation na nagaganap between X and Y. But, once we say function, it is a relation in which two or no two distinct ordered pairs have the same first component. Ibig sabihin, walang isang x na mayroong dalawang different y. So, yon. So, yung tawag natin sa set of all x values are domain. Nakikita natin dun sa picture or dun sa diagram yung values of x which are 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun yung ating domain. Range is the set of y values that has corresponding value in x, in which matatawag nating range ang nasa second component if and only if meron siyang kapartner or meron siyang ka-corresponding value sa x. So that is the range, while codomain is the set of all y values. So itong codomain, ito yung nakikita nyo sa left side which is nakalagay is y. So makikita nyo doon yung 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yung range natin doon is yung 6, 7, 9 kasi 6, 7, 9 lang naman yung mayroong values ni x or mayroong corresponding value ni x. So makikita nyo dyan yung D which is 1, 2, 3, 4, R which is our range 6, 7, 9, and C which is our represent codomain which is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Makikita nyo dun yung sa codomain yung 7, 8, and 10. So that is the difference. So pag nagsusulat tayo ng domain, range, and the codomain, dapat naka-bracket siya kasi we are representing set of domain, range, and codomain. Okay? Okay, by this point, we will tackle the characteristics of functions. Once we say function, it is a relation where each element in the domain is related to only one value in the range by some rule. So, ibig sabihin si function na isa siyang relation. Pero, ang kaibahan niya, isa lang yung value na dapat meron si x. Or isang value lang ni y na dapat meron si x. Hindi pwede magkaroon si x ng maraming y. But si y pwede magkaroon ng maraming x. So, if we move to in the number 2, we have a function is a set of ordered pairs xy. Diba, nasabi natin yung set of ordered pairs is a relation. Kaya nasabi natin in number 1 na function is a relation with such that no two distinct ordered pairs have the same value of x but different values of y. So ito yung sinasabi natin kanina na dapat yung ordered pairs, ang value ni x iisa lang dapat ang y at hindi pwede magkaroon ng maraming y. So, dapat si x, isa lang ang y, pero si y pwede magkaroon ng maraming x. That is the definition for or characteristic of function. Okay, so nakuha na natin si function. So, basta tatandaan natin si function, walang values ni x or walang iisang value ni x na maraming y. Okay. Tapos, meron siyang rule na nabubuo. So, once we say function, pwede natin siyang isulat using functional notation. Makikita natin from this slide, we can have f of x equals y. Ibig sabihin yung f of x, siya yung ating y value. And it read as f of x equals to y. Example, if we have ordered pair 1, 2, our x is 1 and y is 2, if kukunin natin yung functional notation niya, magiging f of 1 equals 2. So, yung x dun sa loob ng parenthesis ang nagre-represent sa input. That is why yung f of 1 is equal to is the same as 1, 2. So, ganun yung magsusulat ka ng functional notation. Okay? So, yan. Nakukuha na natin. So, basta tatanda natin si x is yung input. So, pag yung input ipinasok natin dun sa rule ng function, lalabas si output, which is our y. Doon nabubuo ang relation between x and y values. And kung magkaroon pa ng unique value ni y in every x, then isa siyang function. Okay. Mabasa natin sa quotation. All functions are relations, but not all relations are functions. Which means, lahat ng function, relation siya. All function are true relation. Pero, hindi porket sinabi natin na ang lahat ng function ay relation, lahat ng relation ay function na. May ilang relation na hindi nagpapakita ng pattern or hindi nagpapakita ng definition ng function. So that is why hindi lahat ng relation is a function. So pwedeng ang ordered pairs is not a function but merely a relation. Okay? Tatandaan. And now, makikita natin sa screen yung dalawang set. We have set A and set B. Set A comprises of 3 ordered pairs as well as set B. Makikita natin sa A, meron tayong 1, 4, 2, 8, and 3, 12. And 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 5. Our task is to identify which of the two is a function. So, tatandaan natin si function ay relation. So, lahat naman nakikita natin in A and B is relation. And now, let us check if kada isang x or yung isang x dapat isa lang ang y niya. If we check letter A or set A, we have 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 12. Yung x niya are distinct from one another, 1, 2, 3. While the y is 4, 8, 12. So, it is a function. Si B naman, may parehas siyang 1. At si 1 ay may dalawang y, which is 2 and 3. So that is why, malalaman natin talaga na si B is not a function but merely a relation. So that is why, ang makukuha natin dito na lesson, si A ang function at si B ay isa lamang relation. So, huwag kayong magpapaloko doon. Dapat di tayo nagpapaloko sa mga ganyan. Akala mo, relasyon niya, pero hindi pala. Okay. So, tama na ang hugot. Balik na ulit tayo sa ating discussion. So, at this point, ikaw naman. We have F, G, and H. Which do you think are functions? Okay, tick-tock, tick-tock. Huwag ka magmadali, nakakapaghintay. Okay. So, kung ang sagot mo ay G at letter H, tumpak ka. Kasi si G at H ay example ng function. Si F naman, isa siyang example ng relation. Tama, magaling ka na. So, i-introduce ko sa inyo ang tatlong uri ng diagram or ng map diagram. O yan, di ba sinabi ko sa inyo, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang map diagram. So, meron tayong 1-to-1, 1-to-many, and many-to-one. Pag sinabi nating 1-to-1, loyal sila sa isa't isa. Walang nag-aagawan at walang may mga kabit. Okay. Okay, next naman is one to many. Ito naman, yung lahat na nasa x side, nagkakaroon siya ng maraming value sa second component. So, yun o, si 1 ay may dalawang value, which is 2 and 4. So, may kabit si 1. Kaya bantayan yung mga jowa nyo dyan. Baka may kabit na din. Joke lang. So now, is many to one diagram. Yung nasa right side. Ito naman yung may nag-aagawan. Kumbaga sa 1 to 1, loyal. 1 to many, ito yung may mga kabit. All many to one is mga nag-aagawan. So, kahit na hindi tayo magtumingin ng kanilang set, makikita na natin ang function at hindi function. So, si function dyan is 1 to 1 and we have many to 1. The 1 to many, hindi siya function. Okay? Let me explain you why. Si 1 to 1, makikita nyo si x, may unique value ni y. Diba? Nakikita nyo 1, 4, 2, 5, and 3, 6. Si many to one function din kasi nagagawan lang naman sila. Hindi nagkaroon ng kabit si x dahil si x loyal kay y. Pero si y madaming x. Yun lang yon. Si one to many naman is not a function kasi si x ay maraming value ni y. So, diba, yun yung hindi siya na-satisfy sa main definition ng ating function. So, that is why masasabi natin kung alin dyan yung function and not a function. So, paano naman, sir, kung graph? So, yan. Dyan napapasok si vertical line test. Okay. Yan, vertical line test is a test to a graph to check if it is a function or not. If the vertical line intersects the graph at exactly one point, then the graph is said to be a function. But if the vertical line intersects the graph more than once, it is said to be not a function. So, masasabi natin kapag yung given graph, ginamitan mo siya ng vertical line test, tapos yung graph, in-intersect niya yung vertical line as 1 o isa lang, function siya. So, pag hindi. Yun yung vertical line test na tinatawag para sa mga graph. Okay? Okay, nakukuha. So, ito yung makikita yung picture, yung nasa taas and yung nasa baba. These are the two graphs. So, sabihin natin kung alin dyan yung function at hindi. Diba sabi doon, yung vertical line, makikita nyo yung blue line doon, yun yung vertical line na tinatawag. Siya yung magte-test kung yung graph ba is function. Makikita nyo kung dadaan yung blue line doon sa red na nasa taas, yung graph na nasa taas, kung makikita nyo, mai-intersect niya lang yung red, yung naka-diagonal. Okay, yung naka-diagonal, makikita nyo na i-intersect ng blue line yun only one. So, yung nasa taas na graph is a function. Okay? Kapag naman yung circle, makikita mo yung blue line, nag-intersect siya as twice or more than once. Meaning, your circle or yung graph ng circle is not a function. Okay? Another function is yung mga parabola. Function yon. Pero yung mga triangle, square, na graph, hindi siya function. So, use vertical line test para malaman mo yung graph if it is a function or not. Okay, so, yun yung vertical line test. Okay, let me clarify ha. Once we say the parabola, may different tayong parabola. Pag upward and downward, yun yung function na parabola. Pero yung naka-left face siya or naka-right face siya, yun yung tinatawag natin na not function. So, be aware pa din. Kailangan tingnan nyo talaga ang graph at i-test nyo siya using the vertical line test. Okay. So, ayun. Natuto tayo kung anong relations and functions and ano yung what to do para malaman natin kung alin ba yung function at relation given yung isang set or given man yung graph. Uulitin ko ha, si function is a siyang relation wherein the x has a unique value of y. We are also introduced with the domain or the set of all x values, the range, which are the set of y values corresponding or corresponding to the x values, and also we are introduced with codomain. Codomain is the set of all y values or yung ito na pinagsama-sama na values sa second component. Kahit wala pa siyang corresponding partner sa x. So, yun yung tatlong yon. And when we are writing this tree, kailangan nakaset yung set notation or yung nakaset or yung naka-raster method. Next is that the functions have only one value of y. Tandaan yun. And also, we are introduced with the tree diagrams or the tree map diagrams. The one-to-one diagram, one-to-many diagram, and many-to-one diagram. And also, we are introduced with the vertical line test. Sana yung mga natutunan nyo sa araw na ito or sa video na ito, sa lesson na ito, ay may apply nyo when you are dealing with the functions problem. So, that would be all. Thank you for watching.